I will now work at KFC. Welcome to KFC. How can I help you?
I would like to get the chicken tenders.
I'm sorry, but the chicken tenders are sold out.
Stop lying. You know what? I'm going to Buffalo Wild Wings.
Yeah, get out before I call the cops. Welcome to KFC. How can I help you?
I would like to get the Pepsi and the fries.
No! Get out before I call the police. Welcome to KFC. How can I help you?
I want a pizza.
Dude, it's KFC. They don't sell pizza.
Then I'm going to Papa John's.
Yeah, get out before I call the police. Caillou, you're fired at KFC. Now go to Taco Bell. Welcome to Taco Bell. How can I help you? I would like to. Oh no! It's Axel. He really hates my show. He used to like my show, but not anymore. That's right. Now I'm leaving. Goodbye, Mamma Mia. Welcome to Taco Bell. How can I help you?
I would like to get a plain taco with cheese and meat. With a Coca-Cola.
Okay, $100 million please.
Are you kidding me? It's $16. You know what? I'm going to Popeyes.
Hallelujah, Ohio kid.
Yep, it's the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Hallelujah, Ohio kid. Hallelujah, Ohio kid. You're fired.
I am now working at Popeyes. Welcome to Popeyes. How can I help you? I would like the chicken tenders, French fries, mac and cheese, and a Fanta. I'm sorry, but we're all sold out. Jesus Christ. I'm going to a different Popeyes. Good, I'm quit.
It's like, no one on staff.